sound of the much waters and the greenery around is a testimony that God answers prayers. Those who did not believe, let them hear the sounds of the water, let them see the greenery of the forest, and it is a reminder that God still answers prayers and God is on the throne.
Hapo hakuna mtu na block. Sasa